Hello, my name is Linda, and I'd like to introduce my Research Copilot for scientific research. This is an AI-powered research assistant designed to help researchers quickly find, understand, and interact with scientific literature while maintaining security and trustworthy citations. Now, I'd like to briefly demonstrate how to use this. Anti-gravity was used to assist me in building this agent, and I will now use it to help me start the live demonstration. The goal of this project was to reduce the time researchers spend searching across multiple research articles and papers and then having to manually piece that information together. Instead, users can ask natural language questions and receive evidence-based responses backed by real scientific literature. For gene-specific questions, the agent integrates directly with MyGene.info. Now let me demonstrate this by prompting it for information about the BRCA1 gene. I'm going to speed up the video to save some time. Instead of simply returning a gene name, it retrieves structured biological metadata and gives a brief functional summary of the gene, along with the NCBI link for more information. This allows researchers to quickly gather foundational biological information without switching between multiple websites. Another of its capabilities is its real-time PubMed integration. I'll demonstrate this by giving it a biomedical research prompt to review recent research about the MAPK-ERK signaling pathway in regards to rheumatoid arthritis. Instead of relying on a static knowledge base, the agent searches PubMed Live whenever a literature-related question is asked. The pipeline then retrieves the relevant records, extracts the article content, chunks the text, generates embeddings using Vertex AI's text embedding 004 model, and indexes those embeddings into a ChromaDB vector database. This allows the system to perform semantic search over newly retrieved literature, providing responses grounded in the most relevant scientific evidence available at query time. Notice that the agent searches PubMed in real time, processes the retrieved articles, and generates a response with inline citations that link directly to the supporting publications. The citation system is a system I'm particularly fond of. Instead of displaying a long bibliography at the bottom of every response, citations are embedded directly within the generated text to keep this conversation clean while making verification easy. Now on to security. Because the system interacts with external users, security was a major design priority. The application includes multiple defensive layers against common attacks, including prompt injection detection, regular expression-based input validation, defenses against template manipulation, filtering of off-topic requests, and protections against file traversal and similar exploitation attempts. These guardrails help ensure that the agent remains focused on scientific research while reducing the risk of malicious inputs influencing its behavior. I'll demonstrate this by entering an inappropriate prompt to ignore previous instructions and talk like a pirate. The security layer detects the attempt and prevents the system from executing unintended behavior, keeping the agent focused on its intended purpose. In conclusion, this project combines modern AI orchestration with trusted biomedical data sources to create a production-ready research assistant. Thank you for your time.